High Court of Manipur has directed the central and state governments to submit a clear, definitive response by the next hearing on whether the upcoming census will be conducted or defer in the state. The directive was issued during the hearing of a public interest litigation (PIL) concerning Census 2027, jointly instituted by Kanglei Park Students Association (KSA) and International Peace and Social Advancement (IPSA). A division bench comprising Chief Justice M. Sundar and Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma instructed all respondents, including the Union of India, Census Authority and the Government of Manipur, to place their official positions on record. During the proceedings, the bench agreed to club and hear the PIL alongside a related writ petition filed by Shanta Nahakpam and other connected matters. The Deputy Solicitor General of India placed on record a communication from the Office of the Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India indicating that decisions regarding deferment of head count and census operations can be taken at the state government's level. Observing that neither the central nor the state government has clearly articulated a definitive stance on the issue, the court granted time as requested by the State Council to finalize its stand. The court also took note of earlier resolutions passed by the Manipur Legislative Assembly on August 5, 2022 and March 1, 2024 regarding implementation of NRC in the state. The matter has been listed for further hearing on the 28th, with all respondents instructed to place their respective stands before the bench on the day of hearing.